Hello everyone. Welcome back to Nexa Fix Tech. If you've already installed the downloader app on your FireStick, you're only halfway done. But that is not enough. Watch till end to know about best apps that you should install along with downloader. Downloader helps you install apps, but to get the best streaming, file management, media playback, and browsing experience, you'll need a few more essential apps. In this video, I'll show you 5 apps every FireStick user should install after downloader. These apps are free, useful, and can make your FireStick much more powerful. Let's get started. Number 5, VLC Media Player. First up is VLC Media Player. VLC supports almost every video and audio format, making it perfect for files that the default FireStick player can't handle. It also supports subtitles, network streaming, and smooth playback. If you watch downloaded videos or play media from external sources, VLC is a must-have. Number 4, File Manager. Next is a File Manager app. After downloading APK files using downloader, you'll often need to locate, organize, move, or delete those files. A good file manager helps keep your FireStick storage clean and makes file management much easier. Number 3, a reliable web browser. A browser like Amazon Silk Browser is another essential app. Some websites work better in a browser than inside apps. It's useful for downloading files, visiting official websites, accessing guides, or simply browsing the web directly from your FireStick. Number 2, background apps and process list. One common reason FireStick becomes slow is that too many apps keep running in the background. This utility lets you quickly see which apps are active and close the ones you don't need. The result is smoother performance, faster navigation, and improved responsiveness. Number 1, Kodi. At number 1 is Kodi. Kodi is one of the most popular media center applications available for FireStick. It allows you to organize your personal media library and, with the right add-ons from trusted sources, expand its functionality even further. If you enjoy customizing your entertainment setup, Kodi is definitely worth installing. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Nexa Fix Tech for more FireStick tips, troubleshooting guides, and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next